You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hi everyone, it's time for a mystery box, but not just any mystery box. This mystery box is amazing. We have 10 items in this mystery box. 10. And they're good ones. One of my favorite fabric sets, Garden Girl. Look at all those pretty patterns. Now I've used some of these patterns making cards. You can sew with it and make quilts. You can make little baby clothes and everything. Look! This is one of the most popular sets of fabric. So pretty. A weeding tool. It's that awesome one with the beautiful pick at the end. Fine point pen set. This is the tapestry. These are awesome colors. These are 0.4 tip. So they're really good for a small writing. Love these colors. A 12 by 24 sheet of everyday iron-on in navy. Now remember, there's a link in the description below for you to click on, and I get a small commission when you click that link, and it doesn't cost you any more. And if you add a little bit more to your cart and make it $50 in your subtotal, you can use my code MLANE to get 10% off your order. That's another 10% off the discounted price. And you get another 10% for having access. And when you use my code, you also get free shipping. That's to America and Canada. Yeah, free shipping. But wait, there's more. Strong Bond iron-on, everyday iron-on in raspberry, beautiful color. Strong Bond patterned iron-on. I just did a video where I did a cupcake card and I used iron-on the card. You can use it on cardstock. Let me open this one up so you can see everything you get. Okay, you get 3 different patterns. It's 12 by 19 and this one. A lot of people ask, what do you do with the pattern? You can do anything you want. You can cut words out of it. You can cut animal shapes out of it. You can use it just like any other iron-on. It just has a cool pattern instead of a flat color. There's more. You get everyday iron-on in the neutral sampler. With this iron-on, you get 3 sheets of 12 by 12. You get this color. You get white and a brown. And you get the vinyl bright sampler. This is regular vinyl. This one is not iron-on, but it's one of my favorite packs because look at all those colors. You get 6 12 by 12 sheets of these. Look at the blue and the teal and the pink and the green and the yellow and the purple. They're bright colors and they're beautiful and they're my favorite. Love these. You also get a strong grip transfer tape. Now this is very important. Please listen to this. This strong grip transfer tape is only good if you're using glitter vinyl, okay? Only glitter or textured. If you have the new brushed vinyl, this works great with that. This does not work well with regular vinyl. Do not use it with regular vinyl. It says right on, this isn't just the packaging, this is right on the transfer that says strong grip, and it's purple. You can see the color of the grid is purple. The regular transfer tape is not purple, but the one thing I love about Cricut transfer tape, you can use it over and over and over and over again. So you save money by using the Cricut transfer tape. But remember, this is only for the textured vinyl. Okay, now I know a lot of you are paper crafters. They haven't left you out this time. They did something amazing this time. I love Cricut paper. It's everything you see in all of those racks are all Cricut brand paper. You can't even see them all. It goes over there. I have only a few spots left at the top because I had to put some of the colors together. Otherwise, I needed more racks and I don't have room for more racks. So this is what they gave you. A 12 by 24 paper. And it's not just this pink color. It's all of these colors. This is my favorite pack. My absolutely favorite pack. 12 by 24 paper is good even when you're not doing big projects. If you're doing a project with lots of them or you want to do multiples, it will cut much more on one sheet. Or you can just use part of a sheet. But it's really important to have some big sheets around the house, and they gave it to you. Here's the back. It shows the colors. But you can make really big projects with these, and it's amazing. Thank you, Cricut, for making such an amazing mystery box. Remember, the mystery box is not a subscription. You just purchase the ones you like. I do a video every month to show you what's inside the mystery box. And if you click the link in the description, I do get a small commission, and it doesn't cost you any extra. And it's what helps me create things on this channel and keep going and keep showing you what's in the mystery box. I love you guys. If you like these videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up, click the like button and subscribe, and click that bell to make sure you get notified every time I upload a video or go live. Bye guys.